Well, hi everyone, my name is Gavin Sequeira and I'm the founder of BreakFreeFromCorporate.com, truly dedicated to helping you transition from being in the corporate world to starting your own business. And I hope you enjoy the journey. For years, I struggled making that transition from being in corporate to starting my own business. I used to be in corporate, almost 11 years having worked in some large multinational companies, and life was great. And then one day I got a call to say, guess what? You don't have your job anymore. In fact, we're restructuring an entire department. Ever heard that before? Anyway, the interesting thing was just going through that process. I remember seeing a lot of people feeling let down, betrayed. They felt they'd given 5, 10, 20 years of their life to that particular company, and it was all gone. Now, I learned a harsh truth on that day, and it was basically there was no loyalty in corporate. And you want a secure future, you're going to have to build it yourself. This has taught me a couple of very valuable skills. One, how to be resourceful and how to be proactive. It's taught me that I need to keep my education constantly ongoing. Since then, I've also aligned myself with people who are forward thinking and people who'd been there and done that before. Therefore, I could learn off them. As a result, today I have a pretty good lifestyle. I'm able to do something that I'm really passionate about, which is working with other people, helping them make the same transition I did from their corporate life to their own business, follow their dreams, follow their passions, change their lives, really. And just be a part of that. It's really rewarding to know that I can give something back. To learn exactly what I did to transition from the corporate world into my own business, I had to make one really fundamental change in the way that I think, and I think you're going to have to do that as well. Even though I had a lot of skills in different areas, I had to learn how to build a business, and therefore I needed the right foundation and the right footing. You see, running your own business is very different to running someone else's business. There's several key concepts and fundamentals that you're going to have to pick up, and the best way to do that is to learn from people who've done it before. 95% of small businesses fail today. Why is that? Well, most of them are doing the wrong thing. But there's always 5 to 10% that are succeeding, no matter what the economy is doing. And they're the people that you want to model from. So if you're serious about starting your own business, then I urge you to grab a copy of my book and go through all the strategies that I've laid out that are definitely going to save you thousands of dollars and who knows how many hours of heartache from having to make assumptions that you might not be sure about, or going through trial and error, which is what most people do. And I just really urge you to follow the advice that I took from a lot of successful entrepreneurs neatly laid out in this book. And by you following these key concepts and strategies, I'm very confident that you're going to be able to build a successful business and take you to where you want to get to in life.